Hook. You know, one thing that's really been holding me back from fully embracing my creative workflow is that clunky, resource-intensive computer I've had kicking around for years. It's just so limited, can't even handle 4K video editing without freezing up. But what if you could have a powerhouse of a device that's smaller than a loaf of bread but packs more punch than anything else on your desk? Check it out, I've got just the thing you've been searching for. Link is in the description below if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. But honestly, this thing's a beast. I'm currently working with the ASUS NUC 14 Pro AI mini computer on Linux Mint, and it's honestly changed the way I work. So, what makes this thing so special? Well, first off, you get a screaming fast Intel i7 processor with 16 cores, 22 threads, and a clock speed that can hit 4.8 GHz. That's more than enough power to tackle even the most demanding tasks, like 3D modeling or 8K video editing, no problem. And don't even get me started on the 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. With this much memory, you'll barely even notice the difference between this and a full-sized desktop. Plus, that 1 TB PCIe SSD is blazing fast, so loading up programs and files takes seconds, not minutes. But that's not all. This thing also comes with an Intel Arc GPU, which means you can finally take advantage of all the latest graphics technologies, like 8K Quad 4K HDR display support. And with Wi-Fi 6E and Thunderbolt 4, you'll have no problem staying connected and transferring files with your other devices. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about heat? This thing isn't going to overheat and shut down on you at the worst possible moment, right? Wrong, ASUS has got that covered with advanced cooling that lets this thing run 24/7 without breaking a sweat. Trust me, I've put it through the ringer and it's still going strong. One more thing I love about this device is how versatile it is. You can hook up multiple monitors, use an external keyboard and mouse, even connect all your external storage and peripherals if you need to. It's like having an entire office on your desk without taking up too much space. Pros and cons. So, what are the downsides? Honestly, I've only had one major complaint with this thing, and that's the Linux Mint interface can be a bit of a learning curve if you're used to Windows. But, let's be real, this thing is for developers and content creators who need the power and customizability that Linux offers. And if you're already familiar with the interface, you'll love how fast and seamless everything is. One more con I have to mention is that it's not the cheapest option out there. But honestly, when you think about the level of performance you're getting, I think it's worth every penny. All in all, if you need a powerful, versatile, and highly customizable mini PC for your creative workflow, then I would definitely recommend checking out this little guy. Closing. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in picking up the ASUS NUC 14 Pro AI mini computer on Linux Mint, the link is in the description below.